8,000 USD from 2 YouTube videos. This is the first one right here. And this is the second video right here. And look at my hands. I'm going to refresh the page. I'm not going to cut the camera. I'm not editing this. I'm just going to hit refresh on this page. Now, as you can see, this is actual result and not some edited screenshot. And this is 1.6K in the last 7 days. This channel belongs to a client of ours named Noah. He's 24. He works a full-time job and he completely kept his 9 to 5 job while doing this. He spends about 15 to 20 minutes a day managing the pipeline. The reason most professionals fail when they try to build a second income online is that they try to guess what people want to buy. If you work 40 or 50 hours a week, you do not have the time to sit at a whiteboard and try to invent a profitable YouTube niche from scratch. You don't need to guess, you need to wear the algorithm like a costume. And let me explain. Today I'm going to be showing you exactly how we use Claude and the blank YouTube account to make the algorithm think that I'm a 55-year-old man. Because when you do this, YouTube completely changes. It stops showing you teenager trends and it starts handing you the most profitable, untapped, high RPM niches on the silver platter. I'm just writing this down as I do this so you can see the exact steps. I don't have a course to sell you at the end of this to buy. My results are my own, Noah's results are his. You don't have to do any of this. I'm just documenting the run, okay? So to understand why this works, you have to look at how like a 9 to 5 professional should value that time. If you're managing teams or dealing with corporate projects all day, you cannot come home and be an employee for your own side hustle. You need a digital asset that can produce some margin without you having to do a lot of these like physical labor. That means we cannot compete in a teenager demographics because kids want to stay flashy, they want to they don't have as much dopamine, they just want to binge watch entertainment content, right? And you don't want to edit these kind of videos because it takes 40 hours a week to produce, right? So adults over 50, they just want calm, well-researched information regarding, it could be history, it could be history like this one, it could be about finance, it could be documentaries, right? Because the videos are calm, they don't need incredibly high like editing budgets. So these are incredibly cheap to essentially have a freelancer make for you, right? And because that demographic of over 50 has a lifetime of savings and disposable income, advertisers pay an absolute premium to put commercials on those videos. But to find those exact niches, we don't have to brainstorm. We just need to wear the algorithm like a costume. So the first step you're going to need to do is to open something like ChatGPT or Claude and to use a very specific prompt that we use. Give me a list of 20 highly specific video topics that only a 50 to 65-year-old American homeowner would search for on a Friday night. Now, this prompt right here is going to go ahead and like spit out topics that I would have never thought of. Things like 1970s muscle car restorations, or tax loopholes for early retirement, or off-grid solar setups. I took that exact list of keywords, by the way, that Claude generated for me, and I put it in a free document in the description. So you don't even have to use an AI to generate them. If you want, you can literally just copy my list in the description to start. But once you have that list, you do not go search for it on like your normal YouTube app, okay? Your normal YouTube account already knows who you are. It knows you are probably a 35-year-old professional, for example. So it's going to skew the results. So what you want to do is open an incognito browser or make a completely brand new YouTube account like this one that I have right here. So you take those keywords from that document, you're going to come over to YouTube and you're going to start searching them. Now, what you're looking for is you're aiming to find faceless videos. So videos that don't have people's face in them, because you probably don't want to show your face in the videos. You probably want it to be faceless. If you want to show your face, that's absolutely fine too. But how we do this is completely faceless. So you want to go over, once you search it, don't click anything until you find something that's faceless. For example, we just came across this channel right here. So if we see a channel like something we want, so we're going to open it. As you can see, this is completely faceless. So what we're going to do is we're going to play it. We're going to let it play for about 10 minutes. Okay. So after it plays for about 10 minutes, I'm going to hit the like button, right? And I'm going to go back to the YouTube homepage and I'm going to type the search bar just like this. And I'm going to type in another keyword from the list, just like this, copy and go ahead and paste. Now, you repeat this process, keep scrolling until you find something that's slightly kind of like faceless, just like this one. I would open it in a new tab. Here's another one talking about how much you can actually afford in the UK, how much house you can afford. Go ahead and open that. Watch it for 10 minutes, just leave it. Just leave it run in the background, like it, and subscribe to the channels. You do this for about 30 minutes a day. I wrote down the exact daily clicking and watching steps, which I'm going to call the 7-day watch protocol. You can finish it in 3 days, but you can also find that document exactly how to click the right videos, find the right videos to watch to surface the kind of videos that we want. But this is the step that you're going to be following right here. Now, by day 3 or day 4, something incredible happens, okay? When you go on YouTube, when you go on the homepage of YouTube, it's completely going to be transformed. Okay, you're not going to be seeing any Mr. Beast content on the homepage. There's not going to be some random day trading videos on the homepage. Your entire suggested feed, right? If you executed it more, as you can see, your entire suggested feed will start to become a gold mine of channels that you've never heard of, getting millions and millions of views from an older demographic, right? Hundreds of thousands of views to millions from an older demographic. So right now, after you've done this, right? Here's another one. After you've done this, you're now literally looking through the eyes of a wealthy, underserved demographic on YouTube. And YouTube is handing you the exact niches that are currently printing money. But you don't just pick the first one you see. We have to filter them based on basic unit economics. Because as a professional, your only goal is to buy production for cheap and sell the attention for a premium. So when you look at this new suggested feed that you've gotten, you must apply a very strict filter to the videos, to the channels that you're finding, okay? You want to ask yourself, can this video be made by a freelancer for $30? And a lot of them are also made by free AI tools as well. If the channel requires someone on the camera talking like a host, you kill the idea. If it requires some kind of location-based filming, you need to have a studio, you kill the idea, right? You're looking for faceless videos with simple stock footage, calm voiceover, and very clean cuts.
Hello, I'm Dr. Craig Webber, Program Leader for the suite of online MA Artificial Intelligence programs.
You walk out.
So if you were to look at this video right now, you can see very simple stock footages. You might be thinking, oh, you have to draw this. You don't really have to draw this. AI can do this completely free, right? You can see, maybe not completely free, but really, really cheap. But to put together this video, it will cost you way less than $30 to put together a complete video like this. Very calm voiceover. The voiceover is made using another AI tool called 11 Labs. And essentially, it's very easy to make these videos. But to make this foolproof, I use a keep/kill checklist. It's going to outline the exact 5 criteria a niche must pass before I invest a single dollar into it. I'm going to put that checklist in the exact same document in the description. You can download it and you can keep it on your desk. Now, once you found a channel that passes the $30 rule, you're going to extract the inventory. And so you click sort by popular, you take their most popular videos. You can see right here, this video right here, 138,000 views on a video titled Why Everything Changes After You Save £20,000 in the UK. Now you're going to click it. You're going to go to the description, scroll all the way down, click show transcript. And once you click show transcript, this is going to appear right here. This is the transcript, what was spoken in the video. You're going to click and drag all the way down to right here. You're going to go ahead and click copy. Now you want to go back to Claude. Now you're going to tell the AI to study the pacing, the hook, and structure of that video. So I'm going to say that right now. Hey, Claude, I want you to study the pacing, the hook, and structure of this video. And now I want you to write me 20 brand new video ideas and full scripts using that exact same mathematical structure. So I'm going to write something like this. So you can see it's finally done. It's not only giving you your first 20 video ideas and the titles to use for them. I'm going to ask you for more titles. But it's also gone ahead and written the script for the first batch. I think he wrote like the script for the first 3 videos here. So what you want to do right now is to copy the script and you want to go over to Upwork or Fiverr, and you're going to hire a video editor for $20 to $30, probably even potentially less, depending on the niche you end up entering. So you hand them the script, you make a post like this, hand them the script, and they go ahead and they hand you the finished video. Now, let's go through why I believe that the cost, why we cap it at like $30, why this arbitrage actually makes sense for anyone working in 9 to 5. With niches like finance, all these things, you can get RPMs as high, even higher than $9, right? If you're paying an editor $25 per video, the margin is going to be really good after a few thousand views. Because look at this dashboard right here. Channels operating in the older 55-year-old plus demographic can consistently pay you anywhere from $7 to $10 per 1,000 views, right? For example, this channel that we're looking at right now is sitting at $10 RPMs, right? So even at a video can hit 100K views plus even more than that, right? And you get to upload every single day of the month. So even if you just hit one single video to give you 30K views, that's already 300 USD-ish, right? And you can make a video every single, you can choose to make 2 videos. We have channels we're posting 2 videos a day. You can see right here on this specific channel, we posted 2 videos a day very recently, right? So you can post as much as you want, and each video can go on to make 100K views, 200K views, some even 1 million, right? So if you're paying an editor $25 per video to assemble a video with the script that you got from Claude, your RPM is about $9 to $10, you only need a few thousand views to cover your cost. Everything after that is pure margin, right? You're just treating the videos like digital inventory, right? You just spend $30, maybe even less. Again, I'm being super conservative when I say $30. It could be way less than this depending on the niche. We have niches we're doing for $10 a video. So all you're doing is putting the product on the shelf, and the algorithm literally brings you the buyers and they watch the videos. So your actual job is going to be around 15 minutes a day, and it's just to approve the topic, review the thumbnail, which you're going to make with AI. I have a lot more in-depth guides on this channel, how we make thumbnails, and all you have to do is just publish the videos, right? Again, everything I just walked through, the keyword list, everything is completely free in the description to go grab the document and start training your blank YouTube account this week. If you're a professional, you have capital, and you simply do not have the time to do this yourself, my team at Headstart Channels could operate the done for you infrastructure service for you. So we're going to find the mature niche for you. We're going to set up the Claude agent workflows. We're going to hire the editing team for you. We're going to build the asset for you, essentially. So I'm going to leave a link in the description if you want to see if that makes sense for your portfolio. You don't have to click it. You don't have to buy anything. You can completely build this pipeline completely for free using everything that I just gave you. And if you want to see exactly how we set up this script writing pipelines, the thumbnails, use AI agents to help us find the winning video, make all these things, you can click this video right here or any of these recent videos to walk the exact full walkthroughs of the exact processes that you can go ahead and follow. Like and subscribe. Peace.